Sometimes when you are in a meeting with your teacher or your friends, you may need to share your screen. This is helpful if you are collaborating on a project. One of you could bring the slide deck up that you're working on or a Google Doc. Maybe you are sharing a resource you found, or maybe you just are getting some help or some tech help and you need to show someone what you're seeing so that they can help you. So in the Zoom meeting, you will see this green share button. That is how you share your screen. If you click that, you'll get two options. You can share your desktop. Your desktop means that they would see everything on your computer. So anything you have open, your Zoom windows, your Google browser, any files you may have open, other apps. This is helpful if you need to show different things. So maybe I need to show them a file on my computer and I need to show them a website. This can be helpful then because you're showing your whole computer. You can also just share an application. An application is just one single program. So maybe you only need to show Zoom because you're having some Zoom issues and your teacher's trying to help you. Or maybe you only need to show a Google slide deck. So that would be in your Google browser, and that's a single application. So you can choose between the two. So I chose application window. And so now you can see I have two applications open right now. I have Zoom and I have Chrome open. So I'm going to share my Chrome because that's my web browser and that's where most things are going to be. And I'm going to click share. So my Zoom window got really small so that I can focus on what I'm sharing. And so now anything that I do in my Chrome browser, they can see. So maybe I want to show them a slide deck that I made on a book that I am reading. I could go to Google Slides, I could open it up, and I could show them the different things that I'm working on. When I'm ready to exit full screen or exit my share, I just click this red stop share button and it will go away and I'm back to my regular Zoom meeting.